Hi, this is Michael from ThriftCart, and today I want to show you a new report for your donation pickup scheduling account. You can send a request to support@thriftcart.com to get this report added, and once it is added, to see the report, go to Reports, Pickup/Stop Reports, and it will be called the Pickup Dashboard Report. On this report, you can select which trucks you want to report on. In this case, I'm going to report on all 3 trucks simultaneously. And then you can select your date ranges. You can either set these date ranges manually on the calendar, or you can pick some common date ranges, such as year to date, past month, month to date, yesterday, past 7 days, etc. It'll also offer some suggested comparison dates. So for example, if I do past year, a suggested comparison would be the previous year. Or if I look at month to date, it could be previous month to date, or same month to date last year. But in this case, I'm going to click past year and previous year, and then hit Show Report. It will then generate a report with some vital statistics. For example, our pickup count in this date range, 4/13/2021 to 4/12/2022, was 310 pickups. By comparison, in the previous year, it was 275, so we increased by 12.73% over that time range. On the other hand, the number of items that we picked up decreased from 658 to 621, which was a 5.62% decrease. In this example pickup service, we also have monetary donations associated with pickups. If that's not something you currently have and are interested in, we can turn that on for your account as well. And in the previous year, we collected $2,143 in monetary donations, and this year, only $1,717, which was nearly a 20% decrease. We can also see some statistics about how far out we're scheduling pickups. So last year, it took us 6.2 days from the time the donor called to the time that the pickup occurred, and now it's down to 4.8 days, a 21% improvement. And we can see similar statistics for self-scheduled pickups and then pickups that are exclusively staff-scheduled. Also, we can see some statistics on our most popular items. For example, armchair has increased enormously in popularity. Perhaps we weren't picking up at all the previous year, and now we're picking up a lot. And we can see some things have decreased in popularity. For example, sofa went from place number 1 all the way down to place number 5. So we can see which items we're picking up more of and which we're picking up less of. Similarly, we can see popularity for zip codes. So we can see that, for example, the zip code 27616 is increased in prevalence, whereas 27612 has decreased in prevalence. So perhaps that indicates some underlying demographic change, or just simply other truck availability. And there's a similar statistic for the cities. So if you're interested in getting this report for your account, please email support@thriftcart.com with a request, and we will get this report turned on for you. And similar to this pickup scheduling report, we also have a report for point of sale. If you're not currently using ThriftCart's point of sale system, please contact us and schedule an appointment so we can demo this for you. But if you go to point of sale reports, you will see that there is this sales dashboard. And so here you can select which store you want to report on. If you have multiple store locations, you can report on them individually or combined. I'm going to go report on all 3 combined. Look at statistics from the past year and then compare it to the previous year. Then I'll click Show Report, and it'll show me important figures such as our gross sales, which are up by 46%, our returns, which are also up by a similar amount, net sales, so gross sales minus returns is net sales. We can also see the number of transactions, so the number of transactions has actually decreased, but our average ticket size has increased significantly, and the total number of items sold, which has stayed relatively similar. We can also see a category by category breakdown, so we can see that, for example, appliance sales are up significantly, whereas consignment sales are down significantly. And this breaks it out for each of those categories. Also, we can see for discounts, which discounts have increased and decreased in prevalence. And there's also a roundup donation report. So ThriftCart can assist you with roundup donations, both by prompting at the credit card machine, as well as prominent reminders for the cashier to ask the customer on cash sales. And so we can see the prevalence of roundup donations in these various periods. We can also see our sales by hour, sales by day of the week, and then an overall daily summary here where you can see all your sales over that particular time period. We hope this report would be helpful for you if you decide to use ThriftCart for your point of sale system. And please contact us at support@thriftcart.com to get an appointment scheduled.